Hi everyone, it's Miss Betts. I'm going to be going over your math work for today. So you're going to start on this page talking about dimes. Yesterday we talked about pennies, which look like this. This is the heads side, and then this is the tails side. And we know that a penny is worth 1 cent, and they are copper color. So today we're going to be learning about dimes. This is the head side. And this is the tail side. And a dime is worth 10 cents. And you can see on your page that it shows you the front and the back. And right here it says a dime is worth blank cents. So we're going to write in 10. So a dime is worth 10 cents. And then we're going to color the dimes. So we're going to look at each picture and look for one that looks like a dime. So if you look here, and you can look and see if that matches the front of the dime. Do you think it matches? I think that one looks more like a penny. And then this one doesn't match the front of a dime. But if you look at this one, it doesn't match the front. But if you look at the back, they do match. So we're going to color that one in. Then we're going to look at the next one. Doesn't match the front of the dime. This doesn't match the front or the back of a dime. Oh, this one, it doesn't match the front, but it does match the back. Again, this one doesn't match the front. This one doesn't match the front or the back. If we look here, it doesn't match the back, but it matches the front. So that's a dime. We're going to color that in. This one doesn't match. We'll look at this one. Doesn't match. This one looks just like the front of a dime, so we're going to color that in. It is a dime. And you're going to continue to do that all the way until you're done with all the coins, until you've gone through all of them. Once you've finished this part here, you're going to go down here and it says color in the amount. So we know that a dime is worth 10 cents, so we have to count by tens when we're using dimes. So this says 80 cents, so we have to count by tens until we get to 80. So we'll start right here at 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And we're going to stop there because they want 80 cents. So we're going to stop at 80. Then they want us to color in the amount for 50 cents. So we're going to count by tens and stop when we get to 50. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we're going to stop there because that's all they wanted. All right. Now, once you finish this page, you're going to skip the maze and you're going to go straight to this page instead. Counting coins. So on the page next to it, there's a maze, and you can do that if you want to, but you don't have to. This is the page that we want you to do next. So on this page, you're just going to do the same thing that we just did at the bottom of the first page. Look at each amount, color in the dimes to match. So they want us to show 40 cents. So we have to count by tens until we get to 40. So 10, 20, 30, and 40, and we're going to stop there. Now, boys and girls, dimes are kind of like when we talk about tens and ones, we draw straight lines for tens. That's kind of like what dimes are. If we look at the number 40, we see in the tens place that there is a 4. And how many dimes did we color? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's look at 10 cents. we're going to count by tens until we get to 10. So we're going to go 10, and then we're going to stop because that's all we need. Now, if we look at the tens place in 10, how many tens are there? There is 1 10, and we only colored 1 dime. Let's try it again with 50. I'm going to erase that line. So we're going to look at 50 now. So we're going to count by tens until we get to 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We're going to stop there because I only asked for 50. And now let's look at the tens place in 50. How many tens are there? There are 5. And how many dimes did we color in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to let you do the other two on your own. And then if we scroll down, if I scroll down, it'll show you the next page that we want you to do. And it is more counting coins. So you're going to be doing the same thing that we just did on the other page, but I want you to try these all by yourself. I'll do the first one with you. So we have 80 cents. So we're going to count by tens, and we're going to stop when we get to 80. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. And we're going to stop there because that's all they asked for, 80 cents. Now let's check. Let's look at the tens place. Remember, the tens place is right here. What number do you see in that tens place? It's an 8. So let's see, how many coins did we color in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's an 8 in the tens place, and we colored in 8 dimes to make 80 cents. Now you're going to do the rest of these all by yourself, and I know you can do it. Once you have finished this page, you're going to count coins. So here, instead of coloring the number, they gave you a number of coins, and you're going to count them and write the number yourself. So they did the first one for you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you're going to write 50. It's hard to write with my mouse, so mine's not as neat as yours will be. And don't forget that cent sign. You have to label it. Otherwise, we'll think you're saying 50 dogs or 50 pencils. We have to know that you're saying 50 cents. I'll do the next one with you too. So let's count by tens and find out how much money there is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we are going to write 80 in the box. And we're not going to forget our cent sign. And we can also, again, look in our tens place. What number is in our tens place? It's an 8, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dimes. Now this trick only works for dimes because we're counting by tens, okay? So you can only use that trick for dimes. We'll do one more together, and then I want you to complete the rest all by yourself. So here we're going to count our dimes. 10, 20, 30. We're going to write the number 30 in our box. Don't forget your cent sign. And there you go. And once you've completed this page, there's another page on the same thing, counting coins. So you're going to just keep doing that same thing. And if you have any questions at all, you can ask us in the comments of our Google Classroom post, or you can message us on Class Dojo, or you can email us. All right, we'll see you soon.